LeBron James.
Scream if you love Grounded.
Grounded.
Shit. What have I done? Oh God.
Is he still there? Jackson, I don't mean to alarm you or anything, but he's coming in!
You're a horrible friend, Junior.
Why'd you throw it? Why did you? Oh, get in the house. Get in the house.
Why?
Junior, you're just trying to deflect. There's nothing outside.
Bob.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is my confession. BZ likes children.
Hey, wait, no. Asian.
You guys need to learn the dynamic here, okay? BZ's the black one and I'm also the black one.
Huh?
It's him, Superman. Stop trying to skip the cutscene. I'm skipping it first.
Okay.
New pack opening? Like Fortnite?
Guys.
Cave Nightmare.
Guys, we're in Fortnite.
Go! We must speedrun. Arrgh! Black.
Huh?
Anyways. No, I don't want to die.
You should.
It's me, Squidward, your best friend with big nuts. Guys, I forgot how to play the game.
No worries.
There's many worries. How could you tell me no worries? No! No, please! Please, Master, please!
Why does it throw so high whenever I throw it?
Skill issue? Wait, hold on, BZ. I have a lawn chair in my room. I'm gonna set that up. Don't ask why I have a lawn chair.
Yeah, why do you?
Alright. I'm set up in my gamer chair. Alright, let's go.
Here, I accidentally made 2 spears. Here, take
Let's
one.
go! Let's go!
Where were you going?
Let's go! BZ, I'm stuck!
Wait, come here. I want to show you something.
Show me what? Show
Alright,
me your
so-
voice.
Why'd it go right over your head? That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Alright, no, we gotta go! Where do we go first?
Where do we go first? Up my ass. I'm gonna go activate the laser.
I'm gonna go to the ant place.
What's the matter with you?
Boss. By
Oi, it's the boss. It's the boss.
boy.
Oi.
Where's he?
Kill the mites. Kill the mites. Get the mite points. Simple as that. It's just that simple.
Triple?
I don't know where they are, so I'm just hitting the floor. Usually works. Yeah, I got him.
Ow! Bruh.
I got you. I got you, BZ.
I got you.
Ah! No, come back.
Come on.
Amongst us.
We gotta. Is that a? Oh, that's just a ladybug. That's a ladybug. I'll bring it back.
Keeping a spot. I'm trying to make more tools. Oh no! No! BZ, where are you? BZ? What are you doing up here?
A few minutes later.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Fuck!
Oh,
No.
wow!
No.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, wow! Oh, guys, look at the booze.
Yeah, what up, Aunt?
Come on, we should go
I'm
to
going
his
to
house.
get acorns.
We should go. No, we should go to his house.
Break into his house?
We've made it.
Who?
The until.
This guy. This guy is a bozo. You know what happened last time.
Hey, buddy. I found his brother. I found him.
I'm cooking food. I'm cooking crank. Hey, back up! It's my food.
Yeah, I
Man,
gotta
I'm
get a
leaving.
big guy. That's like 3. That's like 2 big guys. Ah!
I forgot how to parry.
Ah, run!
Ow.
I got you, no worries. I would run away from your asses. Owie.
Where's my backpack at?
Should we kill one more?
Maybe.
No, I meant the big guys.
Oh, well, you lied to me.
Damn, get sniped!
Ow.
I got 2
They're all
big
around
guys.
me.
You take it. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Well, guess what? It would take you a while to get back down, wouldn't it? Fucking idiot. Don't worry, I got him. Because I'm Skibidi. His friend got sniped in the butt.
You're what?
Dude, you're running so fast.
Run, I'm out of stamina. I'm out of stamina, bro.
How are you running so fast? Why would you do that?
You got a little something on your back. I didn't do anything. You cannot prove that I am guilty.
Yeah, how
Oh, you
does it feel?
motherfucker. I didn't take that much health off of you. You know, never mind. I know you're gonna sit at the computer for like 17 million years. And I'll never see you for like another month.
I might actually do that just cause.
No, don't do that. Just cause. Did you go inside the Burgle Lab yet?
You got a lot of friends though.
Shut up. Sorry about it. Why are you fighting a wolf spider? You only have clover armor.
Huh? Uh-oh. I accidentally hit the pause, baby. Oh, dang. Oh, wait, I'm surviving the poison. Yeah, you fight that.
Oh, there's a
kid.
fucking other one. I can't parry the fucking 5-piece combo.
Oh, he came.
Huh?
He came.
He came. Where? Shut up.
Maybe if they didn't take over the Sigma land, I'm gonna fight him again.
Why?
You gotta give me a second chance. It's because you came. Maybe if you didn't ruin everything, maybe we would have been.
Okay, buddy.
Why? I was. You could. Yeah, really show him.
Rose, kick the thimble.
Why would you do that? Like, why would you kick it?
I didn't do shit. I don't know what you're talking
killed
about.
it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you really?
Yeah, I really.
Well, guess what? I didn't see it, so it didn't happen.
Guys, what do you think of that? What do you think of that awesome challenge gameplay? God, really.
Alright, let's go.
hacked to him.
Ooh, glowy.
Glowy? Oh hell.
More
yeah.
like,
Can't
pink.
break it?
No, can't break it.
Why do that?
this.
Yeah, we can fix this.
Oh shit, he's awake.
Oh, he's unconscious. Stop it!
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, master.
Why does my hands look
I've
like
never seen this
wavy
before.
black French fries?
Your hand is literally Play-Doh.
Oh, look, it's the zip line! The zip line, Tangy!
Huh?
What are you doing in there? Your head's making a metal
Fine,
sound
yeah.
whenever I hit you.
Everything. Alright, let's go get the chips. Do you want to get the chip today, or do you want to get the chip never? Yeah, that's right. That's what I thought. We're getting the
Never.
chip every day. No!
Alright, let's go get
Alright,
the
guys,
chip.
if you like this video... No. What the fuck? Oh, it's a stink bug.
What? Here, don't worry, I'll get his attention. Wait, actually, no, you could deal with that. Hell no.
Oh, shut up. Hell no. Hell.
No!
Epic fight of the century.
I like how one of them literally has no chance. That's right, the bombardier beetle has no chance against the mite. Ow! You're a bad boy! Bad! Crash, I'm really scared right now. What do I do? Yeah, Crash, you're on your own.
Okay, so you'll fight wolf spiders, but not bombardier beetles.
I'll shoot him in the ass!
Ow!
I'm really showing him who's boss.
Give me help! 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 Help!
I'm definitely
Look at him!
Thank you.
Is it a good idea to do this at nighttime?
Bro, you act like it's any different.
It is.
It is not.
Ah! Ooh, ooh, I almost fell.
Raw science, more like raw sex. Oh, I fell.
Crazy.
I forgot how shit this part of the map is.
Don't look down.
All right, Crotch. Stand still.
No.
I don't want you to fall midway jump.
Ah! What if I told you I'm falling right now? At this very moment.
But he's not falling. How long would it
Me
take?
when I see children.
Huh?
How long would it take to fall down the Grand Canyon? Really, but you're really tiny.
Probably a minute.
Guys, I put a Game Pass code in this video, but it's hidden. You guys gotta find it.
Shut up.
I put a free Fortnite gift card in this video, but it appears randomly in the video. So if you see it, put it in and see if it's the
You're just gonna have KKKs.
Guys,
Next
the-
video, we should make a house.
the code just popped up on the screen. It popped up on the screen and I'm about to cream. So go put it in right now.
How about a cream? How about a cream?
Yeah, tell him that it just popped up on the screen.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
see,
not
he
being
just said.
responsible.
I put a picture up too.
Watch it be a picture of one of your credit cards.
That'd be pretty funny. I might. There's nothing on it. For all I care, they could use it. Alright, guys, change of setup. It is $100 credit
No,
card
shut up.
with the $1 limit.
God damn, dude, chill. Stop spreading the ant virus on me.
The Coronavirus virus,
No, penis virus.
the Chinese virus,
Penis? Like, penis?
the Chinese virus for eating the bot.
Yo, VZ, what's up?
Huh?
Get him, spiders.
genuinely don't know who you are. Oh my god, dude, I hate spiderlings. I hate spiderlings.
I hate spiderlings. Yo, Busy, what's up? I'll
Uh-oh.
just follow you.
What the hell
Hey,
is
what's
going on?
Oh,
Cross,
what
come
the
over
hell is
here.
going off? I don't like cause you smell like dog shit. Cause like you like eating
I'm
dog
dead,
shit.
dude. Cross, can you come help
Cry
me?
about it. Wah wah wah. Shut up.
These fucking gay ass robots have stun. They literally hit you once!
I just got a video idea.
What?
Imagine.
BZ sucks toes for 20 minutes straight. Dude, goated.
What? I was saying that like you just make a video where only pronouncing a
The hell? Doesn't that just mean I'm gonna speak? Hey.
no like
Yeah, I'm watching two robots fight horribly rigid.
this guy doesn't like me. Oh fuck.
Ooh.
I may or may not have fallen. Actually no, I'm good.
Acorn
Yo,
bites doesn't
BG.
sound that bad.
I'm coming back. Yo, BG, I'm coming. I didn't even notice there was a Tasty Tea here.
Actually, it was a rusty.
I'm gonna eat some nachos. Don't you say it. Don't you say it. I know you're gonna make a Mexican joke, don't you?
Fortnite has got forgot. Oh damn it, dude! I need to put these away. Accidentally ate 2 granola bars. Alright, there you go.
Process.
What if I just jumped off the edge and never came back?
Good.
Okay, bet.
No. It was a joke. It was just for goose. It was just for laughs.
Whoa. You can't say that.
Oh shit, that's a spider. Oh wait,
I
that's a
just
spider.
realized
Never
that
mind.
for like the longest time we've already had enough.
Not what I was expecting, but hey,
We've had them all.
Yeah.
takes me home.
Sometimes you lose track of time. What the segment?
Oh wait, I haven't even turned on Parrymaster.
Wait. You have Parrymaster already?
At phase 2.
Oh, okay. As usual. Alright, let's go give Burger his burger shit.
Let's go give Burger his turtle dick or whatever he wants.
His turtle. Ah!
Hey, Spider!
Easy.
What are you doing?
I'm repairing my shit. Why? I just fucking see you charging that shit up.
Your ass.
Please, BC. Please. What the fuck are you doing?
Is that real noise? This is real. This is real, by the way. Skibidi.
My life be like nachos. Yeah, nacho. I don't want to be up here anymore.
You still up there?
BC, I'm getting the Fortnite.
Get the berries.
You think? No, you get the berries.
I guess we're not getting tier 2 armor. Come on.
Yeah, I guess not. Y'all guys will have to tune in to episode 2. I'm kidding. There will be no episode 2. BC, why you leave me?
No one likes a lazy neighbor.
Is he like
God
me
damn
when
it.
grounded? What's the
What if I told
farthest
you I
he
hate
makes
grounded?
it? Alright, God. Oh, you just insert the disc. Oh,
Breezy, how long are we gonna play this game for?
I think
I'm just
this is enough for
curious.
one episode.
Is this enough? Are you sure? Are there enough funny moments? Are there enough?
I'm pretty sure. For at least 20 minutes.
I apologize for the crackhead energy.
Anyways.
I'm like,
guys,
overdosing.
I think this is enough for one Skibidi episode. If you guys like it, remember to like
I'm about
and
to
subscribe.
come. I'm about to come.
Shut up! Alright, guys. So, if you like the video, like and subscribe. And if you ain't liking and subscribing, leave. Or pipe bomb in your mailbox.
I'm about to come.
And remember, there is there's an Xbox Game Pass code. There's an Xbox Game Pass code in the video, and you gotta find it.